Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Learning Center, where learning English is fun, simple, and exciting. I'm Jessica.
Hello, Jessica. Hi, everyone. I'm so happy to be here with you today. It's a bright, beautiful day, and I hope you are feeling the same.
I'm very happy to see you too, Mike. You're smiling so brightly today.
Thanks, Jessica. I've been thinking a lot about the future. It makes me smile.
Oh, perfect. That's actually what we'll be talking about today, where we see ourselves this year and how to make our dreams real.
Exactly. So, Jessica, let me ask you first. Where do you see yourself this year? Big question, right?
It is a big question, but I think it's a really important one. Dreaming about the future helps us plan better.
Yes, I love making plans. It makes me feel excited and motivated.
Me too. But before we dive into all our dreams and plans, let's check in with our amazing listeners.
Absolutely. Hello, friends. If you're enjoying this podcast, don't forget to hit the like button right now. It really helps us.
And if you're new here, welcome to Mr. English Learning Center. Make sure you subscribe and share this episode with your friends and family who are learning English. We want everyone to improve and have fun while learning.
That's right. All right, let's start. Jessica, when I ask, where do you see yourself this year? What comes to your mind first?
I think first of all, it's health. I want to be really healthy this year.
Great goal. Health is very important. So what do you imagine yourself doing to stay healthy?
I picture myself in the park at 7 a.m., walking in the morning sun. The birds are singing, and it's just so peaceful.
Just walking, or will you run too?
Well, I'll start with fast walking, but after a month, I want to run every day for 30 minutes.
Wow, 30 minutes is a long time. Do you have running shoes yet?
Not yet. I'm thinking of buying a new pair, maybe blue shoes. Blue shoes make me run faster, right?
I can totally picture you running in the park with those bright blue shoes. That's a really good vision.
Thanks, Mike. And what about you? Where do you see yourself this year?
I see myself in my kitchen. There's flour and sugar everywhere, maybe a little mess. But mostly, I'm baking. This year, I want to become a great baker.
Ooh, I love cake. What kind of cake are you imagining?
I want to bake a big, tall chocolate cake with strawberries on top, perfectly soft and sweet.
That sounds heavenly. I can almost smell it.
And I imagine inviting my friends every Sunday. We'll eat cake, chat, laugh. That's my happy place.
That's beautiful, Mike. Food and friends. What a combination. And speaking of dreams, what about travel? Do you see yourself visiting new places this year?
Oh, yes, definitely. I see myself at the airport with a big suitcase.
Where are you going?
Italy. I imagine walking on the old cobblestone streets, seeing beautiful buildings, and feeling the history around me.
Italy, amazing. And of course, the food, right?
Yes, pasta, pizza, and gelato. I want to sit in a small cafe, watch people pass by, and just enjoy life.
Will you try speaking Italian?
Maybe a little, but mostly English. It's such a useful language for travel.
That's true. Traveling is also a great way to practice English in real life. And what about you, Jessica? Any travel plans this year? Yes, but my plan is a little different. I see myself at the beach, the ocean, sand, sun. I love it.
The beach. I love the ocean too.
Me too. I see myself sitting under a big umbrella with a good book in my hand.
An English book, I hope.
Yes, I want to read a long story in English and understand every word. That's my big goal this year.
Fantastic. Finishing a book in English is such a huge victory for learners.
And while relaxing at the beach, I also want to be organized with my time.
Tell me more. How do you imagine being organized?
I see myself with a beautiful notebook. Every morning, I write my to-do list. 1. Bake cake. 2. Go to the beach. 3. Complete work tasks. Being organized gives me more freedom.
That's very smart. Organization really does give freedom. And how about your home? Any changes this year?
Yes, I see my garden transforming. Right now, it's just grass, but I want to plant flowers. Red, yellow, maybe even some tomatoes.
Tomatoes. Then you can make your own fresh salads.
Exactly. Picking a ripe red tomato and eating it fresh. That's such a peaceful vision. Nature is so calming for the soul.
Totally agree. All right, so we have health, baking, travel, reading, organization, and gardening. Many exciting plans.
Yes, and we should share some tips with our listeners. How can they see themselves clearly this year?
Great idea. Tip 1. Use your imagination. Close your eyes and ask yourself, what truly makes me happy?
Tip 2. Be specific. Don't just say, I want to learn English. Say, I see myself talking to a friend in English at a cafe, or I see myself watching a movie in English without subtitles. Clear visions are easier to reach.
Tip 3. Start small. You don't need to do everything today. If you want to run, start with 10 minutes today. Small steps lead to big results.
Tip 4. Write it down. Putting your vision in a notebook makes it real.
I do that with my running goals. It keeps me focused and motivated.
And now, the big one, English. Where do we see our listeners with their English this year?
I see them listening to Mr. English Learning Center podcast, smiling.
Feeling more confident every day, using new words when talking to friends.
Not afraid of mistakes. Remember, mistakes are part of the journey.
They're brave, they're conversations superheroes.
And I see our channel growing, a big, happy community of English learners.
Today, we covered so many exciting topics: health, baking, travel, reading, organization, and gardening.
And we shared tips. Imagine, be specific, start small, and write it down.
And most importantly, confidence in English.
Now, friends, our question for you: where do you see yourself this year?
Traveling, learning a new hobby, speaking English fluently? Comment below. It's a great practice.
And don't forget to subscribe and share this episode with helps us make more amazing podcasts for you.
Thank you for listening today. You're all amazing.
We believe in you and your goals for this year.
That's all for today. See you in the next episode.
See you next time, Jessica. Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye for now. Have a wonderful, successful year.